my first cigarette at 15 off somebody in night school who said, try one of these. Well, my whole family smoked, but I'd never even attempted to smoke. So tried one of her cigarettes, and of course the next week I bought some to give her back one. So on and off since I was 15, so I'll be 79 on Saturday. And I gave up for 2 years when I had pneumonia and started again. So yeah, really this is the first time I feel like I've successfully given up. I didn't want to quit. It wasn't foremost in my mind at all. But I was in the doctor's one day and I think I was getting my blood done or something. And I said, have you got any? She said, oh, you've got a nasty cough. I said, oh, I've had it since I had COVID. And I said, when I lie down in bed at night, I feel like I'm drowned in, as well as coughing all day. And she said, have you thought about packing up smoking? so I said, yeah, but, you know, never really, haven't done anything about it. So would you like to see how our smoking cessation mentor or whatever it was? I said, go on then. I said, but I ain't promising you anything and I ain't promising myself anything. And she made the appointment there and then, and I went to see the girl in Newtown practice, and that was it. And I sort of gave up there and then, and that was it. Well, we talked through various things and various triggers. Well, I mean, a cup of coffee is a trigger when you're a smoker, isn't it? You know, you don't need specific triggers when you're a smoker. And we did the breath test thing, which wasn't terribly high at the time. I think it didn't make red, it made amber, where you blow into the thing. She gave me the prescription to get patches and mints, and well, she got the little inhalers first. So we had those, started with those, and then I was meeting her every week. And I think if I had not been going knowing I'd got to go to her, I don't think I'd have succeeded, to be honest.